The hard truth. Don't complain about what you've been praying about. Hey y'all, it's day 80 of my 100-day challenge. Yesterday at Mega Camp, a speaker said something that hit me. Don't complain about what you've been praying about. And this morning, I'm back in Georgia. I did a walkthrough with a builder and one of my clients. I've got a Zoom buyer's consultation lined up this afternoon, and I'll end the day with an in person listing presentation. And I started the day saying, I'm tired. But when I remember, this is what I prayed for. Busy isn't a burden when it's tied to a purpose. And for me, I know every appointment is a chance to serve a family, solve a problem, and move someone closer to their home. That's a blessing. So if you've ever been, asking for more opportunity, more clients, more clarity, when it shows up, receive it with gratitude and do the work with excellence. I'm Shonda McRae, your favorite realtor's favorite realtor. So if you're buying or selling in Metro Atlanta or East Alabama, I love to help. Drop grateful in the comments or DM me for a buyer's consultation or a listing strategy session. Smile and be a blessing today. And share this with someone who needs the reminder. Excellence rooted in integrity and delivered with urgency when you talk to me. See y'all for day 81.